afternoon, class. We are back again. Today we are going to solve more problems, and after that we will solve some of those past questions as corrections. The first question here is, if 8x, y, and 27 are consecutive terms of a GP, find the values of x and y. So they are consecutive terms of a GP. Because they are consecutive terms of a GP, I am going to set up the work with the general formula or the n terms of a GP. The general term of a GP. So the first thing I will say here, T1 is always a which is equal to what? 8. This one is given. See, this is simple. This is given. Then T2. What is also given? Fourth term. This is the fourth term. First, second, third, fourth. Number 4 term. So I'll say T4 is AR raised to power 3. And it is equal to 27. This is also given. This is also given. So because of this, I will be able to get my other terms. So I'll be able to get R. Okay? Thus, we have AR raised to power 3 is equal to 27. So put A is equal to 8, which is given, right? Let me call this one 1. Let me call this one 1. Sorry, 2. And then this one 1. Right? So when I put A is equal to 8 in 2, we're going to have 8 r power 3 is equal to 27. And so r cubed is equal to 27 over 8, which implies that r is equal to cube root of 27 over 8. R is equal to cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 8 is 2. So r is equal to 2. Simple. We have gotten the common ratio. So because we have gotten the common ratio, other terms can be obtained. What terms are we looking for? We are looking for x and y. X is the second term. Thus, x is the second term, and the second term is AR, which is equal to, my A is equal to 8 already, and my R is equal to 3 over 2. So I have 8 times 3 over 2. So I will cancel out here to give me 4, 12. Y, what term is y? Y is the third term, and y is equal to AR squared, which is equal to 8 times 3 over 2 squared. So this is now 8 times 9 over 4. So this will cancel out twice to give me, this times this is 18. So that's it. Therefore, x is equal to what? X is equal to 12, y is equal to 18. That's it. We're done with that. Okay? Make sure you copy your note. We're done with that. So the next question there is, which term of the GP? 3 over 4, 1 over 2, 1 over 3 continuously up to that is equal to 3 over 4. 4 over 27. 4 over 27. Which term represents this? Which term of the sequence is this one? Which term of the sequence is this one? That is what the question is asking. All I need to do is to link up this one with the nth term. Tn. That's what I'm going to do. Okay? So I can print here now. So, number 2. Which term? In this question, we are given the first term, which is equal to 3 over 4. And then we are given the common ratio is a term divided by its preceding term, which is r is equal to, choose any term, 1 over 2. 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 4. So this is 1 over 2 times 4 over 3. And so 2 goes in here to give me 2 over 3. So that's the common ratio. The common ratio is 2 over 3. There's 2 here, 2 over 3. Okay? So with that, I can set this to be equal to set Tn is equal to this term, 4 over 27. If I do so, Tn is equal to 4 over 27. So that means my Tn is the nth term. It will enable me to find my n. So ar raised to the power n minus 1 is equal to 4 over 27. Okay? But my a is 3 over 4. 3 over 4 bracket r raised to the power n minus 1 is equal to 4. Sorry? I have r. What's r? R is 3 over 2. 2 over 3, sorry. 2 over 3 raised to power n minus 1 is equal to 4 over 27. I can find it. This can go here and it inverts. It will now become the inverse of this over there on the other side. So I'm going to have 2 over 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 4 over 27 times 4 over 3. So when this goes the other side, it inverts to its opposite, to inverse. It's inverse. Okay? Okay, now we have 2 over 3 raised to the power n minus 1. This will be equal to 4 times 4 is 16. This time this is 81. So 16 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 4. Okay? So we have 2 raised to the power 4 over 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power. This time this is 81, which is 3 raised to the power 4. 3 raised to the power 4. Okay? I can continue here. So that means that I have 2 over 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 2 over 3 power 4. Both of them power 4. Easy. So the same basis, we can equate them, we can cancel out. This implies that n minus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, n is equal to 5. Okay? So it is the fifth term that is 4 over 27. Okay? So that's it. What's the next question? The next question is, the first term of a GP exceeds the second by 4. The first term of an AP exceeds the second by 4. The first term of an AP exceeds the second by 4. So this is how I'm going to put it. Number 3. The first term of an AP exceeds the second by 4. So it means that the first term of an AP is bigger than the second term by 4, exceeds the second by 4. So it's equal to the second plus 4. That's it. So I can write this in terms of the formula. So I'm going to have the first term is A is equal to, the second term is AR plus 4. That means that I can write this as A minus AR equal to 4. So A minus, call this equation 1. See? I have that. So the next statement there is the sum of the second and third terms is 2 over 3. So again, T2 plus T3 is equal to 2 whole number 2 over 3. And so that means that AR, which is the second term, plus AR squared, the third term, is equal to 2 whole number 2 over 3. And so we have, I can factor AR here, okay? AR 1 plus R here is equals to 2 over 3. See? That's what we are having. So I can call this equation 2. I can call this equation 2. So what do we do here? We can divide 1 by 2 or 2 by 1. Okay? So divide 1 by 2. Divide 1 by 2. If you divide 1 by 2, you're going to have A bracket 1 minus R over AR bracket 1 plus R, like this, is equal to 4 over, this is 2 times this is 6, 7, 8. 8 over 3. That's what we have there. So, we can now cancel out. I can cancel this to have my expression in terms of R only. In terms of R only. Okay? So we can have, let me simplify this. This divided by this. If I divide 4 by 8 over 3, I'm going to have 4 into the 3 is going to have to be 12. 12 over 8, which is equal to 4 here is 3 over 2. So this is going to be 3 over 2, right? That's going to be 3 over 2. Let me write it neatly. This is going to be 3 over 2. Yeah, it's going to be 3 over 2. So I can cross multiply to have 2 bracket 1 minus R is equal to 3R bracket 1 plus R. So it means that we will have 2 minus 2R is equal to 3R plus 3R squared. And so we have 3R squared, okay, plus 5R, okay, minus 2 equal to 0. So what are the factors that can fit in here? So the factors, 3R squared, okay, plus 6R minus R minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have 3R bracket, okay, this is 3R bracket R plus 2R plus 2, okay, minus bracket R plus 2 equal to 0. So I can put 1 here, 3R minus 1, R plus 2 equal to 0. This implies that R is equal to 1 over 3 or minus 2. That's it. So the question says that find the first 3 terms. Yeah, find the first 3 terms. But if R equal to 1 over 3, A is going to be what? You can find A somewhere around there. A is going to be, let me use 1. A is going to be equal to, I'm using 1, 4 over 1 minus R. This is from 1. This is from 1, okay? So, I can now put it. Therefore, A is equal to 4 over 1 minus 1 over 3, which is equal to 12 over 3 minus 1, which is equal to 6. So A is 6. If R is equal to minus 2, then A would be what? 4 over 1, yeah, 1 plus 2, which is 4 over 3. So we have values for A and values for B, for R. Values for A and values for R. So I'm going to find the first 3 terms of the GP. First 3 terms of the GP. So the first term, using A equal to minus A equal to 6, R equal to 1 over 3. First 3 terms, first 3 terms are 6. 6 times 1 over 3 is 2. 2 times 1 over 3 is 2 times 1 over 3 is 2 over 3. Using A equal to 4 over 3, R equal to minus 2. What do we have? We have first 3 terms are, first 3 terms are 4 over 3, then this time this is minus 8 over 3, then this times 3 is minus 16 over 3. That's it. Okay, continuously. Okay, so we are done. Now I'm going to solve those questions. Correction to those questions I gave you. Correction. Test 2. Okay, I said 1. If log 3 of x minus 4 is equal to 4, find x. Find x. How do we find x here? How do we find x? All I need to do is to introduce the log of base 3 on this term. So I will say, therefore, log base 3 of x minus 4 is equal to, I taught you this already, log 4 log 3 base 3. Simple. And so we can see that x log base 3 x minus 4 is equal to log 3 power 4 base 3. So you see this goes off with this. And so x minus 4 is equal to 3 raised to power 4 is is 81. And so x is equal to 81 plus 4. X is equal to 85. That's it. Okay? X is equal to 85. Okay, the next one. If log base x minus 2 of 3 is equal to 1, find x. How do we find x here? I am going to now introduce the log of base here. Simple. Log of base x minus 2. Or if you're smart enough, you should know that since the logarithm is equal to 1, then here and here must be equal. Simple. But let's just do it. Introduce a logarithm of base x minus 2. That means that log x minus 2 is equal to log x minus 2. There is 1 here, but we need to put in it, right? We need. So you see clearly that this will go off with this. And so x minus 2 is equal to 3. X is equal to 5. Then the last one. If log 36 base 2x is equal to 2, find x. In the same way, I will introduce a log of base 2x on this side. So I'm going to have log 36 base 2x is equal to 2 log 2x base 2x. See? So here I'm going to now take this here to give me log 36 base 2x is equal to log 2x power 2 base 2x. See? So in this case, this log base x will cancel log base x. Okay? Log base x will cancel log base x. And so I'm going to have what left? 36. 36 is equal to 4x squared. Is that? Yes. 36 is equal to 4x squared. And so we have x squared is equal to 36 divided by 4, which is equal to 9. And so x squared is equal to 9. X is equal to square root of 9, plus or minus. X is equal to plus or minus 3. X is equal to 3. Thank you. We will see you again tomorrow.